Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix touchscreen on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. So first of all, we have to open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Once you find it, you have to open it and then find the Human Interface Devices menu, expand it and find Surface Touchscreen Device on the list. Then double click it, go to driver, select update driver and let your device search automatically for drivers. And if it finds something and starts to install it, maybe it will ask you to restart your computer to apply changes, and then your touchscreen should start working again. But if it didn't, what you can do instead is simply click Uninstall Device on the same page, so the driver page of the Surface Touchscreen Device properties, uninstall device, confirm, then just close this window, go to power options and select restart. This will automatically reinstall the drivers for your device's touchscreen and it should start working again. And that's it. The touchscreen is now working. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.